Hi friends, how are you all feeling at the beginning of the winter? It's a time where we easily get infected, so we need to stay healthy. Tulsi. It is a golden remedy of Ayurveda. As you all know, Tulsi has infinite health benefits. There are many types of Tulsi like green Tulsi, Rama Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi, Van Tulsi and Kapoor Tulsi. First, I will tell a kid about Tulsi plant. Sometimes you need to do pinching in Tulsi plant to make the plant bushy. The Tulsi plant needs 6 hours of direct sunlight. Soil must be well drained. The soil must be also continuous moist but not soggy. Along with its medical advantage, the Tulsi plant is also worshipped in India. You can plant new Tulsi from these seeds. Tulsi can be planted in any time of the year. Tulsi requires fertile soil to thrive, compost to ensure adequate fertility. The pandemic scare has forced the world to fall back on the basics to strengthen the foundation of life. To strengthen our immunity, one such miraculous herb that has been quite essential of traditional remedies is Tulsi. Some benefits of Tulsi leaves are boosts immunity, heals infection, weight loss, purifies the blood, treats respiratory disorder, maintains blood sugar level and blood pressure also. Today I will explain about a healthy drink which will help us combat cough and cold. For this drink we need Tulsi leaves, 4 cloves, a piece of ginger, 4 black pepper and palm candy as you like. Boil all the ingredients with water and cover it for some time. Although Tulsi has infinite health benefits, it does have some side effects. It is not suitable for pregnant women. Always consult your doctor if you have diabetes. May interfere with blood thinning medicines. How to add Tulsi in your daily life? You can add 3 to 4 Tulsi leaves. You can take it at evening time and morning time. You can try it and prevent your cold and cough. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.